Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Do hope everybody's well this Friday afternoon. I thought I'd bring you something different today. I thought I'd bring you down to Blackpool Promenade, and as you can see, what an absolute fantastic view along the seafront. And just down there you can see North Pier. But today I thought I'd bring you this. I'm here by Ginn Square at what used to be the new Hacketts Hotel, which burnt down just the other day. And as you can see, demolition is well underway, which started around yesterday morning at around 10 o'clock, and as you can see, they are well and truly on with it. The sooner it comes down, apparently the sooner they can get the road open. The road has nearly been closed since around about Monday, so by the time we come to this weekend, it'll have been a week since it happened. But obviously we're well into the new season now, and obviously they need the promenade back open for the season. So as you can see, they've still got two halves of the building that need to come down. Hopefully they'll get that done as soon as they can. So obviously the promenade is only open to trams at the minute. So the tramway is open, the road is completely closed between Ginn Square and Empress Drive, where the police have cordoned off the road. It's either side. So once they get the full building down, they'll be able to reopen the road at some point. There is a very big diversion in place, so the promenade is closed from the junction where it meets Ginn Square to the junctions of Walbreck Hill and Dixon Road, and towards Wilton Parade as well. And it's also closed just up towards the cabin there, Uncle Tom's cabin, where you can only turn left and head on to the housing estate round the other side. But this section of the promenade is completely closed on the road, but the public footpaths are open only on one side at the moment. As you can see, they've got a large bulldozer in at the moment. But I'm sure that once this is all complete, the promenade can reopen for the summer season, which is well and truly underway already. There's a few events on this weekend, so there's going to be a lot of diversions for people to have to use this weekend. So if you are travelling into Blackpool this weekend, please avoid Ginn Square at the junctions of Dixon Road and Walbreck Hill, as these roads are only diversions at this moment in time. The promenade is closed at Ginn Square, between Ginn Square, Uncle Tom's cabin and Empress Drive. Also, don't forget, guys, that this weekend is bank holiday weekend, and so is next weekend. So we've got a double bank holiday upcoming over the next 2 weekends, this weekend and next weekend. But I'm sure that this building will be mostly down by the end of next week. It just depends as to how long they want the road closed for. Coming up to next week, the road has been closed for about a week. So as soon as they can get the road open, once it's safe to do so, they've got to do all the checks, and we'll see what happens. But as you can see, you've got absolute wonderful view onto the promenade. Can't see much out there, but the weather's not the best today. But as you can see, this demolition process is quite the big one. They've got the front of the building down. There's just 2 more sections of it to come down yet. It's an end of an era for this hotel, though. It's been here for well over 10 years, guys, this one, on the famous seafront. So hopefully they'll get this building down just as soon as they can. Obviously it's a very, very tall building, so they've got a lot of work to get done over the next few days. So don't forget that if you are travelling to or from Blackpool, or you're travelling around the Blackpool area, please do avoid the Ginn Square area as it is closed to traffic. Diversions are in place. Warbrick Hill, Dixon Road, Wilton Parade are your diversions until further notice. So just another view from a different angle here, guys. Just come to the sections in front of the tram lines. As you can see, trams are running. Mess, guys. Hey, look. Tram number 1, Fleetwood to Stargate. Trams having to run at reduced speed during these works. So as you can see, the middle of the building is completely gone on one side. As you can see, they're now working on the rear of the building. But the only thing is this building that they're bringing down does go inside to another building, so they're going to have to be very careful what they knock down. All this damage here, guys. What a shame. There you go, guys, so they're just tackling the second floor now. So the team of the Demolition, one of the guys of the Demolition team just come over and said that Demolition's going well so far. said that the building has to be down by Sunday at the latest, and that the council want the road open by Monday at the latest. So we'll see if that happens. But obviously they don't know how much they're going to have to take down on this side here, because the building does go inside. Obviously it's a mixed building with the Maples Hotel. So whether it's all going to come down, I don't know, but I'm sure we'll find out in the coming days. As you can see, you've got one bulldozer in the middle of the building and one just around the opposite side of the fencing, just around there, which is putting all the bits into one big skip. There's a lot of rubble and a lot of scrap coming off this building. This is going to be a very, very big tidy up operation once the building is completely gone. Just look at all that, guys, what a shame. You can probably just make out just above there if we zoom in. There's the old fire exit up there. So I think I'm going to wrap this one up now, guys. I'm going to wrap it up there. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe. Don't forget, if you are a new viewer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to click the little bell for notifications when I upload new videos and new content. And I will leave you with a view of Blackpool seafront, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye for now, and have a good bank holiday weekend.